In this video, I'm gonna be going over how to make $100 per day with CPA marketing in 2019. Now, this is gonna be a very value-packed video for beginners. If you're new to CPA marketing, if you never made a dollar online, haven't made your first 100 or first 1,000, I'm gonna show you the exact funnel that I use and still use to this day to make hundreds of dollars with CPA marketing. But before we get into this video, I want to do a giveaway for my CPA marketing course. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon if you haven't already, and leave a thoughtful comment down below. I'll be choosing 3 winners. We'll be chosen at random, and will be posted on my next video and on my social media profiles. But if you don't want to wait, I have my CPA marketing training on sale right now. It's only $10. So if I was you, if you don't feel like waiting, you can just go pick it up. The price will be increasing very soon. I got a few more things I want to add into the training before I do that. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, before we get into the $100 a day method, for those of you who don't know what is CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing, where basically you as an affiliate will get paid whenever someone clicks on your link and perform a specific action. Now, that action could be as simple as somebody filling out an email address, getting a free quote, downloading the app, or just buying something. There's tons of actions in CPA marketing. So you can basically getting paid to collect email addresses. Not necessarily like you don't have to sell anything in order to get paid in CPA marketing. That's why I love it. And that's why it's my favorite business model. But yeah, now that you got a basic understanding of CPA marketing, the next step would be joining a CPA network. A CPA network that I recommend to everybody to go fill out the application and join to is Max Bounty. I have a video already explaining on how to get approved in Max Bounty. It's a simple application, an online application plus a phone interview. A ton of people have been reaching out to me, thanking me for making this video for them because they got approved within 24 hours. So I definitely recommend you go check that out if you're not in Max Bounty. And you can use that to get into any other CPA network, as I did myself. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting the offer from the affiliates network. The offer that I'm going to pick, I already have in mind. It's in this network. I know it's in Purefly and Max Bounty. So you're not missing out if you don't have the offer. And this, if you're not in this network, you're not missing out. So let me sign into my account. All right, so now that I'm in here, the offer we're going to be using is called Fiverr. Where is it? There it is, right here. Pays out $15. Let me click on the description. So now that we're on the Fiverr offer, let's actually grab our affiliate link and save it in our notes because we're going to use this feature, should be down here, called deep linking. I'm about to explain that more in a second. So let me see. We're basically, once we pick something, we basically gonna be grabbing the gig off of Fiverr and direct linking it. Y'all gonna see. I can show you better than I can tell you. So let me paste it here. That's our affiliate tracking link. Let's actually follow the rest of the steps to build our deep link. Copy that. Go to our notes. Source equals. Then we gotta copy one more piece. Oh, the actual URL from Fiverr. So I already got an offer in mind that I'm gonna use, which is this a portrait offer on Fiverr. They can pay $5 to get a portrait of their pet. Works like crazy. So what we're gonna do is copy the link to this gig, so that way when people click, the links on our landing page, it'll go straight to the offer instead of people having to search for it on Fiverr, and just eliminating extra steps, which means higher conversions for us in the long run. So now all we gotta do is connect it. Got the links pasted. Go over. Boom. So that's the link we're gonna use in our call to action buttons on our landing page. Now the next step is actually making the landing page. I'm gonna set this over in Weebly. So let me show y'all once I'm done. All right, so here's the basic little landing page I made to promote this offer. It took me about 5 minutes. Get an amazing painting of your pet for just $5. As you can see, we got the pictures. All I did was take these pictures from the gig photos. me see. Start at the front. Where is it? Where is it? Boom. All you do is copy image address. Oh, damn, I'm not even in the editor no more. But it's real simple. You can screenshot the images. You can open it in a new tab. You can save it. Do what you got to do to get it uploaded. It's really just 3 pictures, a headline, another headline, and a button. That's it. Very, very simple, clean. Like I told y'all in my other previous videos, when I'm making my landing pages, I like to make them short, sweet, to the point, and congruent with the offer. So when they go from here to here, it's not, it's not that much of a difference. Especially you seeing the main image is the main image on my landing page. So I stress that in my training and all on my YouTube channel. So now we got that set up. The next step in this is actually marketing this on Facebook. Let me show y'all. First, let me save the link for future references. So now that we're over on Facebook, the method we're going to be doing is posting in Facebook groups, but not just any Facebook groups. Whenever I'm posting in Facebook groups, I'm always posting in active groups. There's no point in posting in groups that everybody else is just posting stuff in. Nobody's engaging or sharing stuff or anything like that. So what we're going to do for this offer, as you can see, we promoting a pet portrait offer. So what I do is just join like pet lover, dog lover groups, things like that. Now, since I knew I was doing this video, I went ahead and joined a couple dog lover groups. Let's see. We can check this one out. All right, so now we got the group loaded up. Let's see if this is actually an active dog lover group. So you got a lot of engagement right here. 3 hours ago, 300 likes. See, this is what I like to see. 36 comments, 6 shares. People still engaging with it. 16 hours ago, 600 likes. This is just perfect for what we're doing. This training I'm giving away in this video is just gold, bro. So look, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna write up an ad. Let me I'm about to write up an ad that we're gonna use to post in this group. So give me 1 second. All right, so I came up with the ad that we're gonna use in our group posting. Feel free to take it. I don't care what you do. When you posting in different groups, make sure you just kind of switch it up. You don't want to keep posting the same thing in every group. So basically, let me get our details. Hey, since everyone is in this group loves dogs, I figured I'd post this. You always, whenever you're doing something you're really not supposed to be doing, just say you apologize. But let me finish reading. I apologize if this goes against the rules of the group. Feel free to delete this post if that's the case. Blah, blah, blah. I got an amazing painting of what you'll do. Any dog name you can put right there. I just put my favorite car. That is what I'm gonna name my dog when I get one, Fisker. And I felt like I had to share this with others. The guy that makes these only charges $5 for a paint that must have taken many hours to do, which is way cheap in my opinion. He should definitely raise the prices. Let me know if you want his info. The reason why I didn't put a link, the reason why I put this instead of putting a link is so that people can comment more info. If you don't know about posting in Facebook groups, whenever any type of engagement goes on in your post, it shoots your post right back up to the top, therefore giving you more eyeballs and traffic to your offers. So yeah, when people start commenting info, blah, 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 where'd you get this from? What you would do is tell them to reach out to you, add you and message you, or you do it, add them and message them, whatever. And I came up with a script that you can use when you start getting some leads. Where is it? You can say something like, hey, thanks for reaching out. His website is blah, 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 keeksportraits.weebly. Use the code for 10% off your purchase. Now with this link, if you don't like the way it looks, you can get it shortened on Bitly, or you could just buy a domain name and mask it to this link. Either way works. I like Weebly, so I'm just rock with that. Now, yeah, this method is really just a numbers game. You want to join some active niche related groups. So if you're doing cats, you want to join some active cat groups. Now, when I mean active, I mean, look at this, 300 likes, 36 comments, 600 likes, 100 comments, 1K likes. See, this is a perfect type of groups to join. You want to make sure you join no more than 5 a day, man. Because when I was doing this, I was joining way too many groups, man. I got my old account banned from doing this, but I made a lot of money in the process. So it was all worth it, man. But yeah, join no more than 3 to 5 of these a day. You don't want to get into no trouble. Um, and yeah, start posting. Make sure you switch up your ad copy. You can take this. I don't care. Yeah, just do your thing, man. So basically, if you didn't like get it all, so basically all you do is join the CPA network that has the Fiverr offer in there. Um, Grab your affiliate link, turn it into a deep link. Now I know affiliates is the only one you can just directly make a deep link for yourself. And Peerfly Max Bounty, I know you have to reach out to your affiliate manager and tell them you want to make a deep link. They're gonna ask you for the gig that you want to link to exactly, and they'll send you your custom link that you can use. From there, all you do is you make your landing page. As you can see, I made my little simple landing page. Throw your little call to action in there with the images from the actual Fiverr gig. After that, after you get your links, you can mask it if you wanted to, or you can buy a domain and mask it. Then yeah, all you pretty much doing is joining groups related to whatever niche that you in, joining active groups, I meant to say, and posting ad copies similar to this. You can reword it to your liking. And when people make sure you have them comment info so your post can be bumped back to the top of the group and you get more traffic and sales. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this method. If you like the video, leave a like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this method. Try it out, man, because I made hundreds of dollars doing this exact method, bro. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's all I got for this video. I'm out.